Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I am going to be trying a Glueless wig that I recently received from Celie here.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything real good. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty.
I do like to show you guys everything that comes inside of your wig. So, ooh. With your wig, they also send you a wig grip, and then you also get just a flyer with some details. These right here look like some head wraps and a headband. You also get a melt band, some wig caps, and then they sent you a lot of stuff. So you get a lot of gifts with your wig. Some clips, you get some bobby pins, some lashes. You also get an edge brush and a rat tail comb. Alright you guys, so this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. I'm just going to go ahead really quickly and read you guys the details on this here. This wig right here is their Breathable Air Cap Glueless Lace Wig. I did get this wig in a body wave texture, and also it is a 6x5 pre-cut lace. I'm going to let you guys watch it while I style it, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys more about the hair towards the end of this video. Much looking like in its natural state. The hair is super soft, super silky. As you guys can see, it has a very nice luster to it. It also has body, it has movement. The hair feels absolutely great. To be honest, I think I am gonna leave the hair like this. I'm actually liking the natural curls on it. I'm just gonna go in with a little mousse. This is a mousse by Pantene. I can't find my actual curly hair mousse. Pantene mousse. I hate that word. Okay. The mousse is not too much mousse in right now. Y'all, this looks so good. I'm really shocked. Okay, I need this mousse to act bright. That sounds like shit. I actually did not know your body wave hair could look so good in its natural state. And let me tell you, I have been wearing wigs for a while, and I just like never left my body wave in like their natural state. This is like the very first time, and I'm impressed. Wow, this looks so good. So this is what the wig is looking like, and you guys, I am absolutely obsessed. Like, this is such a gorgeous unit. I'm loving the body wave. I haven't tried a body wave unit in a while, but I think from now on I'm definitely always gonna get body wave texture, because if I could just add some mousse to it and achieve this look without like adding any heat to the hair, why not? It does remind me of a water wave texture now that I've went ahead and add the mousse to it, but so far so good. I'm definitely loving this wig, and not to mention it is a glueless unit, so there's no work required. And like I said, yes, she is completely glueless. Also, your wig already comes with the lace cut for you, so you do not have to go in and cut any lace. No work is required. You don't have to use any adhesive. You can definitely ditch this now. I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Even though I had to go in and pluck some hair, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm talking about quality, the length of the hair. I also got mine in a 20 inch. I don't recall if I mentioned that, but I did get my wig in a 20 inch. And yeah, 6x5 lace closure. It's definitely looking like a frontal. So yeah, I'm really liking this. Definitely recommend it. Like I said, head over to Celie here and check them out. I will have all the details listed down below to where you guys can purchase this exact same unit. If I do have a discount code for you guys, that will be listed down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.